So guys, I need your help today. So I'm wanting to customize the engine compartment a little bit. I'm looking at radiator caps from Mishimoto, but there's so many different ones. There's 3 different ones for this car, and I'm not quite sure which one fits. And I contacted them and they said you have to measure it. So I want to know if any of you are running a Mishimoto radiator cap, and if so, which one are you using? There's the 1.3 bar small size, there's a 1.3 bar large size, and then there's a 2.0 bar small. So I'm not sure exactly if, hopefully one of them fits, but they said they're Honda universals. So couldn't really get a direct answer. You know, it's kind of important. I don't want it to leak and all that kind of stuff. So if any of you guys out there running a Mishimoto radiator cap, either at the 1.5 or even a 2.0, I think the radiators are all the same. So as far as the fill neck goes, let me know if you guys like it. I like the design. I think it looks really nice, especially for the price. But I'm not sure exactly which one. So if you guys can leave a comment below, I'd really appreciate that, guys. Thanks again for everything. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Appreciate it.